This guy makes over $16,000 per month online. His name is Jeremy, and I'm going to show you step by step what he does. He's not selling anything, this is not some pyramid scheme, and he doesn't have any special skills. The best part is, you can do this whole side hustle from your phone. It's so easy, you'll be kicking yourself you didn't start sooner. Now before I dive in, I need you to know that if you mess up any of these steps, you won't be monetized. You only have 3 chances to get it right, or you're denied access forever. So please, watch this video the whole way through and I'll show you step by step the right way to do this. Now, I'm willing to bet you've probably bought something off this website. In fact, you probably use it regularly. This website is Amazon. And no, you won't be selling a thing. Now I'm going to jump over to Amazon and show you exactly how this works. But I need you to press the like button if you want to learn to make more money. So now I'm on Amazon. I'll search GRV smartwatch. There's 2 things that I want you to pay attention to. First, notice how it has over 11,600 ratings. Now I want you to look down here where it says 5 videos. Let's click on that. Now check out this video. It's an unboxing review of the watch by a guy named Jack. Now pay attention to this. It says earns commissions. So every time somebody watches at least 30 seconds of this video and buys the watch, Jack gets a commission. You need to be like Jack. So how much money could you make? Let's crunch some numbers. The average number of people who leave a rating on an Amazon purchase is 1 to 2%. So let's assume that 1.5% of people who purchase this watch have left a rating. That would mean this watch has likely sold around 800,000 units. Amazon will pay you between 2 and 10% commission depending on the product. So this watch sells for $31.29. At a 2% commission, you would make 62 cents every time someone watches your video and buys the watch. So do you think that 62 cents sounds kind of measly? What if 5% of people who purchased this watch checked out your video? You would have received 40,000 views and made yourself a whopping $24,800. Sweet. Now think about what your bank balance would look like if you did this for 10, 20, 50, even 100 products. Remember Jeremy? Remember how he makes $16,000 per month? This is how. Now, let's revisit our old friend Jack. Jack's review video could easily have been filmed on a phone. It's a simple video with basic edits, and honestly, you could shoot, edit, and upload this video in half an hour. Now let's take a look at another product. Check out this Logitech mouse. Over 24,000 ratings, so it may have sold around 1.2 million units. And look at this, video reviews show up here, but there aren't any. Somebody, please be like Jack and make a review of this mouse. If just 5% of buyers watched your video, you would have made $27,000 in commissions. Extra sweet with sauce on top. This side hustle is easy and lucrative. The best part is, it's not saturated. Yet. Do it before everybody knows about it. Let me show you how. So first, you need some products to review. And I know what you're thinking, but I can't afford to buy anything. You need to take a walk around your house with the mindset, what do I have that I can review? Don't do it just yet though. Hit the subscribe button and watch the rest of this video first. As you walk around your house, you need to make a list of items that you own that are available on Amazon, which is pretty much everything. If you can't find anything to review, ask your friends and family if you can do a walkthrough of their house and borrow a few items to make reviews. Not those friends. Now, if you still can't find anything, simply buy it, review it, and return it. If you want to make this work, I know you'll find a way. I won't show you how to record and edit your videos. There's plenty of YouTube tutorials showing you how to do this. There are a few critical things that you need to know though, and I'll get to those later. Okay, let's dive into the Amazon Creator Hub and I'll show you around. Google Amazon Influencer Program. Click sign up and then select your existing account or create a new one. Now when you sign up, Amazon will ask you for a link to a social media account. More on this later. Once on your storefront, click Manage Content and then click Video. This will take you to your Creator Hub, which shows you all the videos you've uploaded and lets you manage them. To upload a video, click Upload Video, now select a file and upload it. Show me the money? Not so fast. See this little lock symbol? That's Amazon's way of telling you that you're not approved for commissions. To get approval, you need to upload 3 videos. Someone from Amazon will watch these and decide whether or not to approve you. And please, don't upload more than 3 videos at this point. This is important. The more videos you upload, the more content you give Amazon to scrutinize and the more chance that they'll deny you. And if they deny you 3 times, you can't apply again. So you really want to get this right. So you want to be approved, right? Watch this section carefully and take notes. Watch it several times if you have to. I can't stress this enough. Make these 3 videos count. Put your best foot forward by delivering quality content that meets Amazon's guidelines. So, what is Amazon looking for? In short, they're looking for simple, informative review videos. Videos should be 1 to 2 minutes long with no music and no fancy effects. Make sure that your video and audio quality is good and that your review is clear and to the point. Don't film vertical TikTok style videos. Stick with 16:9 horizontal format such as 1080 or 4K. Now you need to give your video reviews substance. Show customers what the product actually looks like, what it sounds like, how a person uses it, and what features it has. These are all values that can't be well communicated through text and photos. To help you with ideas, imagine you were the customer interested in buying this product. What features would you want to see in action and what would you want to know about it? Now, before you run out and film your first video, you need to read the best practices document. You also need to read the Amazon Creator Guidelines. I've put a link to these in the description. Now, I know this is boring, but please take the time to read and understand the guidelines after you watch this video. Joining the Amazon Influencer Reddit can help you learn from other people's mistakes. It's a great resource if you're serious about making money from this. There's a link in the description. Now it's time to film your first 3 videos. Before you pull out your phone and start recording, you need to sit down and make a plan. Write a script or at the very least, some bullet points on what you want to cover. This will help keep you on track and make your videos informative and concise. Now, this might go without saying, but I'm going to say it anyway. Film your videos in a quiet, uncluttered space. Nobody wants to see your dirty bedroom in the background or that massive pile of washing that you haven't done in 6 weeks. No thank you. Editing is simple. Grab yourself a free copy of DaVinci Resolve. There's heaps of videos showing you how to use Resolve, so I won't show you that here. Then it's a matter of cutting all the mistakes and waffle until you're left with pure money-making gold. After uploading your first 3 videos, all you have to do is wait for someone from Amazon to review them and approve you for commissions. This may take anywhere from a couple of days to a couple of months, so sit tight. And yes, the wait is nerve-wracking, made worse by the fact that you've only got 3 chances to get this right. Don't forget though, that while you wait, you can still keep planning and working on new videos. But don't upload them yet, just keep them on your hard drive ready to go. Once you're approved for commissions, you can upload them all to Amazon. So, what happens if you don't get approved? If you don't get approved for commissions, you're going to have to take a critical look at your videos against Amazon's guidelines and best practices. Think about where you fell short and what you can do to improve. Head over to the Amazon Influencer Reddit and learn from other people's experiences. Get involved, ask questions, and learn more about this whole process. Now you need to delete the old videos that weren't approved from your Amazon account. Then, once you feel you're ready, you need to make 3 new videos, upload them, and wait for Amazon's approval. This whole process is actually really easy. It's just a matter of doing things the right way. I know you've got this. Now, the real power in the Amazon Influencer Program lies in the fact that it's easy and repeatable. Continue making reviews of all the items you listed around your home. As you start making money, you can invest some of this into purchasing more products to review them. When you're starting out, I suggest reviewing everything that you can get your hands on. Then, as you grow, you can become more selective about what products are worth reviewing. Look for products with a high number of ratings and only a few video reviews. If the product has no video reviews, that's even better. The fewer videos a product has, the higher the chance a buyer will watch your video review. That's why you should jump on board now and get yourself established before everybody starts doing this. Enjoy the journey, have an open mind, and take the time to learn more about the program. In time, you might be the next Jeremy making $16,000 a month. Let me know in the comments what hurdles you encounter and how you go with this, so that we can all learn from each other. Now, I mentioned earlier that when you're signing up, Amazon will ask you for a social media account. There's one caveat that I need to tell you about. So Amazon will only allow you to sign up if you have an established social media following. It can be on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Amazon doesn't give us any numbers on how many followers you need, but the thought online seems to be that you should wait until you have 1,000 social media followers before you apply for the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you're not sure if the Amazon Influencer Program is right for you, check out this video for more awesome money-making ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you when you're an Amazon influencer. Bye for now.